eh? Holy stink. That's an upset. Wow, that fan is not loud at all. Ben, it's dark. Should we go for a walk or what? Maybe? Why not? Let's go. Guess you wouldn't believe it unless you saw it, but this cat's back. He's just in the same spot, chilling out here, and he's not one of the barn guineas. Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Kitty has gone home. Oh well. Well, back at the airport, I guess. This is VH. It used to be called Vancouver Island Helicopters, but now it's VH Aerospace. Yeah, see, everyone comes out here and watches the planes take off and stuff. I don't know why there's so many Learjets here today, but whatever. I only see 2 helicopters here, which is odd. Both 206s. UPS, delivering right to your jet plane. There goes another Learjet. It's only small planes out here, man. Tons. These freaking butterflies been stuck up there for like an hour. Come on, buddy. All I have to do is go down a little bit and you can fly away. What the hell are you doing? Okay, so this goof still doesn't understand. I'm at down. We'll let him out. So we're going to help him out just a bit. Oh, look at that. Oh, you idiot. Come on. You're getting stung by that wasp in there, buddy. Oh, you idiot. Just go down. There you go. Oh, fuck. Just getting retarded or what? Down. No. Don't want to let me help you. Come on. Oh, go. Oh, you bastard. Come on. What is wrong with this? Oh, there he goes. There he goes. He's free. Open the bike again. Where's my black kitty friend? Benjis twin over up there. I don't know. Hope he's not here, so go to the highway to the airport. You can go airport again. Why not? What a trail. And Dodge for sale. I'm rhyming again. There's a Hummer. So we are in the bike trail. What the stink. Nice day though. Some sort of prop plane. I can't even see it. I'm on like full zoom taking off right now. Maybe a little Cessna or something. Go short of the runway he takes. It's like nothing. And he's up in the air. Oh, that's a nice day. I'll admit that. But I'm going home. Going home. Yeah. I gotta do the whole farm feeding all the pigs and ducks, goats, and all that tomorrow. So time to head on back and have a good weekend, folks. And peace out. See you later. Oh. Dodge. Oh, that's an easy on. Clock. The game is no fun at all. Oh shoot! Look, it's Benji's friend. What does it look like? He's back. I wonder if he'll play.